Hello, everyone. So a concept I chose to focus on is the three phases of conflict. It was in chapter 9. And the three phases of conflict are, I should look there, the early stage, which is a climate which the foundation both of conflict and overall relationship sets the tone for communication during the conflict. So you want to use I statements or phrases. You don't want to say you. The middle stage is a concept that consists of agenda building, which includes staying focused on the main issues at hand. So you don't want a kitchen sink here. You want to address the exact issue that you're having with the person you're having a conflict with. And the later stage is attention shifts to resolving the tension. What are we going to do to resolve the problem? For the clip that I chose to demonstrate what potentially is a positive conflict resolution is from The Office with Michael Scott, Angela, and Oscar. Going to show it here.
You to express your feelings using I emotion language and no judging or you statements.
I got this poster for Christmas, and I feel I want to see it every day. It makes me feel like the babies are the true artists, and God has a really cute sense of humor.
Come on, seriously, Dad. I don't like looking at it. It's creepy and in bad taste. It's just offensive to me. It makes me think of the horrible, frigid stage mothers who forced the babies into it. It's kitsch. It's the opposite of art. It destroys art. It destroys souls. This is so much more offensive to me than hardcore porn. Okay. Stop. Let's see if we can just brainstorm and find some creative alternatives that are win-win.
Win.
Yes, thank you. How about Angela makes the poster into a t-shirt which Oscar wears. That way he can never see it, and whenever she looks at Oscar, she can see it. Win. No.
No.
Okay, well, brainstorm. Own the solution.
How about I leave it up?
How about she takes it down?
So if we were to continue watching the video,
3.
they...
To sum up,
Hold on,
win-win.
it's still talking.
Poster and t-shirt. Win-lose, take the poster down, compromise, Tuesdays and Thursdays.
I don't know what just happened.
And the answer is make the poster into a t-shirt. Win-win.
Win.
Fine. It is done.
So yeah, I'm not sure if that's the best video to...
Let's
So
invite
sorry.
That's not right.
Whoa! Harry struggles on conference calls, but he's such a...
Not sure if that's the best video, but I liked it. And it does kind of demonstrate some of the concepts about the phases of conflict. So, brief description, obviously we just saw it, is we tried to find a peaceful resolution to Angela's poster. Did we do that? I don't know if that was effectively accomplished. However, they used some good points in conflict resolution throughout the phases. They used I terminology in the early phase. They did stay on topic during the second phase. And there was essentially resolution. I don't know if it was to the liking of them both, but in the latter phase there was a peaceful resolution to the conflict, which I essentially just said all that here. And what did go wrong? I will say Oscar kind of took it out of text, if you will, for lack of better terminology, when he kind of said how much he dislikes it and the reasons why and what he relates it to. And then also I would say another aspect that probably wasn't helpful in the stages of conflict is Michael's interjection, which I get into in this slide. Michael kind of inserted his own peaceful resolution to the conflict in the latter stage, which really Oscar and Angela should have done. So, because I really don't think that Oscar wearing a T-shirt of the poster he hates is the best resolution to the conflict, but at least Angela still gets to see it, and they both agreed, and so that's that. Thank you. I hope this is accurate. Sorry. How do I turn it off? Here we go.